Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on a video we did yesterday about the completion date of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. And this has to do with the section of the highway from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge. So we did a video yesterday and we updated everyone that the government said the highway would be finished in April of this year. That's 5 weeks from now would be the end of April. And we were touring the road while we were giving you the information on the date. And we were like, I don't see this happening by the end of April. So a lot of persons asked or commented asking, where did we get that April 2023 date? So we double checked it, and it was the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Holness, who said the highway was going to finish in April 2023. The section of the highway, from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge. So we are going to go through an article that explained everything that Mr. Holness said so that everybody can be on the same page. Work on the multi-billion-dollar Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is moving steadily, states Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness. Making his contribution to the 2023-24 budget debate in the House of Representatives on March 16th, he provided an update on Part B and the eastern section of the project. Mr. Holness said the plight of citizens who have endured significant disruption to their daily lives due to these works is not lost on us. That is why your government continues to examine the progress carefully with a view to making changes for better execution. Steady progress is being made and already communities are benefiting from the improvement in the infrastructure, he said. He noted that the 17.4 kilometer 4-lane roadway from Harborview to the Yallow's Bridge is 87% complete, with practical completion scheduled for April 2023. Okay, I'm going to pause there and I'm going to read this section of the article again. He noted that the 17.4 kilometer 4-lane roadway from the Harborview to the Yallow's Bridge is 87% complete, with practical completion scheduled for April 2023. I'm going to finish the rest of the article and then we discuss that sentence a little more. The rehabilitation and resurfacing of 123 kilometers of existing roadway from Yallow's Bridge to Port Antonio and Morant Bay to Cedar Valley are broken down in 15 sub-project packages. 10 of these packages currently on the way are in various stages of completion and are expected to be completed in December 2023. The final 5 packages are scheduled to commence in 2023-24 and are expected to be completed in March 2025, the Prime Minister said. Mr. Holness disclosed that over the upcoming months, the National Works Agency will be constructing 3 new bridges at a cost of over $1 billion, which include the Troy Bridge in Trelawney, Craig Mill Bridge in Portland, and the Spring Village Bridge in St. Catherine. The NWA has already completed the designs and costing for these bridges and is now going through the public investment justification phase before going to procurement. We know that there are many more bridges that need to be repaired, and we are currently designing a program to address the general replacement and repair of bridges island-wide, which will be announced in the next budget, he told the House. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister said that through the Chase Fund, a museum will be built in Morant Bay to ensure that current and future generations are rooted and grounded in the knowledge of our rich cultural and historical heritage. All right, so that's the end of the article. So this is where we got the date of April 2023 from the Prime Minister's speech in the House of Representatives. I'm going to read the line again. He noted that the 17.4 kilometer 4-lane roadway from Harborview to the Yallow's Bridge is 87% complete, with practical completion scheduled for April 2023. Now, they said practical completion. I mean, if it's completed, it's completed. So a lot of persons asked or commented that we made a mistake. It's not April 2023, but April 2024 or April 2025. But based on what persons saw, you can check out the video. Actually, this video that we have up is actually off the existing roadway that we're speaking about. So you can look at the video that this is the actual footage. This video was done yesterday, along with the other video that we did, the art though, where we talked about the April 2023 deadline. So based on what you're seeing, guys, what do you think? Is it one of those cases where I personally don't see this highway being completed, whether practical or whatever, however they want to phrase it, in 5 weeks? I don't see it, but as we said in the video last night, we're going to come out here once a week for the next 5 weeks and drive on the section in question between the Harborview Bridge and the Yallow's Bridge so that everybody can see the progress. Now, it's China Harbour Engineering Company that's doing the work, but as some people have pointed out, though the police station in Buff Bay is in the roadway, it has to be demolished. I just see more than 5 weeks work. So as we said, we're going to come out here once a week and do an update so that everybody can be on the same page. But this footage you're looking at was done yesterday, and you can see how far the road has come and how much further it has to go. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave a comment in the section below. But a lot of persons asked where we got that date from, and we're just explaining to everybody this is where we got the date from the government, more specifically from the Prime Minister's budget presentation. All right, guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.